between operators. Question number 1 is we are trying to select the students with IDs in the range 3 to 7. After that, we're going to select the students who born between these two dates. Third question is we are going to find the students whose first name is between these two alphabets. Fourth question is we are going to select students who did not enroll between these two dates. Okay, I copied this question here. We're going to work on first question. Here we are going to select all columns for student from students where your student ID, right? Let me write down the caps where student ID is between 3 and 7. I'm gonna close this and run these statements together. Let's see the results. Student ID is between 3 and 7. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this looks good. Let's solve the next question. Now this is, you're going to select column birth date and you're going to mention this range. I'm just going to copy this statement here. Then we're going to put the birth date and it's going to be between 2001 01 and your next value is, this is going to be month, right? 12 and it's going to be 31st, and then you're going to write 2. Let's see the results. Execute this one. Birth date is between this range 2000 and 2002. Okay, looks good. Now let's try to solve next question. Let me copy this one, and in this question we have been asked for their first name, this is column name, and then it's between C and M. Let's see their first names. Okay, they should be between C and M. Do we have anything before the C? We do not have anything before the C, and after the M, N, O, P, Q. Okay, we do not have. Okay, this looks good too. Now last question, we have been asked for the dates, enrollment date, right? Enrollment date who did not between this. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna use, when they say not, then you say not between and you mention the range. So here 2021 September, 21 month is 9, and again 23 it's same, month is same 9, and day is a first day. Let's execute this one. So we will have all the values before the 2021 and after the 2023. Enrollment date. Okay, this looks good. This is 21, right? We need to have these dates before and after because we do not want values in this range. Okay, this is how we solve all 4 questions for the between operator. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye.